Hi, what tickets can I get for you tonight?
When I think about the Esquire, it's here because of the community, it's here for the community, and I've been an employee with the Esquire Theater and Theater Management Corp since 2001. I started as just selling popcorn and as a college student.
It's so fun. You're making popcorn, you're making drinks, you're having talks with the customers.
You want Untouchables?
Sure. They're like, have you seen this movie? I'm like, of course I have. I work here. I watch every movie as soon as they come out. I'm lying. I haven't seen half the movies.
I come here at least probably 4 or 5 times a week. Today I'm seeing The Burbs and Tremors. I see usually 2 a day if I can make it with all my classes, but I would say this is the best theater around just because of how nice the staff are and stuff.
Yeah, finding film, finding family here. I mean, I married my husband, who I met here.
I love the Esquire because it's kind of a sanctuary. I started coming here by myself during COVID.
I always love a good box shift because it allows me to view all of the people that are out on Ludlow, and I think that Clifton has a very vibrant community.
Come see a movie. Come see a movie, support the Esquire. We're important to you, we're important to your community, we're important to Cincinnati.